Hello everyone, and welcome to the Sightcorp and AAEON Market Ready Solution unboxing video. The package is based on the Up2 AI Vision X developer kit. However, it comes with our deepsight toolkit audience measurement software pre-installed. The power cables come in both EU and US versions that connect the low voltage power brick into the Up2 mini computer. The UpHD 1080p USB camera, which can be purchased separately, has a 3.6mm lens. However, a separate lens with 6, 8 and 12mm focal length is available on the upshop.org. Links for these can be found in the video description. The 1m USB 2.0 cable connects the camera to one of the Upboard's 3 USB ports. There is also longer options available. The camera supports a wide range of resolutions, from 320 by 240 at 60 fps up to 1920 by 1080 at 30 fps. For a tiny USB camera, it's extremely robust. You can operate it in temperatures from -20 to +80 degrees Celsius and a relative humidity of up to 90%. The small bracket that's included with the camera comes in very handy if you plan to use it in a digital signage screen or just mount it on a wall. It can be adjusted using the small screws on its sides. The excellent picture quality, the customization options with its separate lens kit, its robust nature, and last but not least, its price point makes this a great value product. We highly recommend it on its own. Now let's get into the Up2 mini PC itself. This rugged looking small form factor PC sits somewhere between a Raspberry Pi and an Intel NUC in both performance and price. There are 4 USB ports available, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 host and 1 OTG. Next to these we can find a 4K HDMI port at 30 Hz and a 4K display port at 60 Hz. It's powered by a quad-core Apollo Lake Intel Atom X7 processor with a base speed of 1.6 GHz, which will be turbo boosted up to 2.0 under heavy load. The CPU supports 8 GB of RAM and has an integrated Intel HD Graphics 505 GPU. This allows the toolkit to run smoothly because it makes use of the GPU's processing power. The kit comes with 8 GB of RAM and 64 GB of eMMC storage already installed. You might notice that the chassis does not have a power button. This is because the Atom X7 is an extended temperature industrial grade processor, which is intended for long operating hours. We've included the link to the thermal report in the video description. Network connectivity is ensured by the 2 RJ45 1GB Ethernet ports. There's also an option to purchase and install the wireless antenna for Wi-Fi connectivity. Here's just a quick video on how it all comes together. So here's the deepsight toolkit running. If you want to find out more about its features, we recommend you watch the feature walkthrough. If you want to find out more, check the links in the description or subscribe to our newsletter on our website.